Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be my first YouTube video, so thanks for stopping by. And today I'm just going to be doing this makeup look right here, and this is just going to be like a summery type of casual look. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to use my 350 palette and use this color as a transition color. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my E23 Morphe brush and just blend it in. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and use this yellow shade. And I'm gonna put that right above my eyebrow. Okay, now I'm gonna go back again with the same transition color. Just to retouch it. Now I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and use this shade right here. And I'm just gonna put that right above my crease. Alright, now I'm just gonna go back in with that yellow shade and put it right above my eyebrow. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner from MYX and just do a tiny little line of eyeliner, not all the way. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette again and use this black shade right here to underline my waterline. Now I'm going to go back in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to use this shade right here. And I'm going to put that shade right in the bottom of my eye, to my waterline. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this mascara and do my eyelashes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes to get them ready for a fake eyelash. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lashes to finish the look. Okay, lashes are on. Now I'm going to finish off my eyes and put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my foundation slash BB cream and put it on over my face. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it with my beauty blender, the bottom part of my beauty blender. Okay, now I'm done, and I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and set my whole face. Now I'm gonna go in with my 8H palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here named Donut to contour my face. And I'm lightly going in and blending it. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brush and I'm gonna contour my nose. Just a little bit of bridge on my nose. Lightly the same to the other side. Now I'm going to go back in with my Morphe palette and use this shade right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the corner of my eye and under my eyebrow. Now with that same shade I used before to highlight my inner corner of my eyes, I'm just going to highlight all over my face. Now I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips with my Morphe liner in shade Crush. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the shade Redum from the Jeffree Star collection in my lips. Okay, and lastly, I'm just going to go back in with my setting spray from Morphe and set my whole face. Okay guys, so this completes the look, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Thanks.